Hey guys, Tech Gear 5 here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my new tennis racket. It's a babolat aeropro drive GT, so I've already got a couple over there. Bought a third because, yeah, we'll show you. This one, yeah, got a bit angry. This is my first racket I've ever broken. I was pretty pissed that I broke it, but yeah. So I need a new one, so bought one, and yeah, I'll be unboxing it. I'm just going to put the camera down for a sec. Okay. Okay, there's my receipt, which I'm going to show you because it's got my details on. But oh yeah, and I also ordered some head grip control because I'm string rackets. I have a little string service, so and someone requested that string, so I bought some of that as well. Save on shipping. Yeah, there's the string. Okay, now here's the racket. There it is. Love these rackets. What's that? Also came with. Yeah, oh, they actually did string it with grip control. I didn't actually ask them to do that, but they did it and they didn't charge me for it, so that's alright. Yeah, that's my unboxing of my babolat aeropro drive GT. I will be doing a bag checks a bit later on. I know I said that in my other video and I just haven't got around to it yet, but I will be doing it for my next video for sure. So thanks for watching.